Hi children, this is the maths activities for Wednesday the 10th of June. Starting off with test 15, time yourselves, mental maths, 10 questions. See how quickly you can get that completed and you can check at the end. So as you can see, there's a mixture of different types of operations in progress. Some of them are looking at sequence of numbers. So if you look at number 8, -2, -1, what's next? And then you've got 1 and 2 that follow it. So what goes there? Remember when you got sums with 2 operations, you always start from the left or you start inside a bracket. So quick mental work, hope you do well. And then the rest of the mental maths is where you're adding tenths, and further down when you're adding hundredths together. So if you can do this as much as you can mentally. So if you look at the first one, some of them are very easy. 0.8 plus 0.1. If you add the tenths together, which is a 1 and an 8, it becomes 9 tenths. It doesn't affect the whole number, so it will be 0.9. Some very easy to do. And then you've got some real life questions. So for one of them, if you might have 0.6 plus 0.5, if you add the tenths, 0.5 and 0.6 makes 1.1, because you've gone over 10. So you just put the 1 in the tenths and carry the 1 over to, there's 2 zeros, so it would be 1.1. Okay, so just be careful there. And you've got a question here, 0.7 tall, Pim is 0.9 tall, so how tall are they together? So you're adding 9 tenths and 7 tenths together, which makes 16, but you put the 6 in the tenths and carry the 1 over to the other side of the decimal point, so it would be 1.6. And then you do the same again with adding hundredths. Again, a lot of them will not be crossing over. So if you look at the first one, 0.05 plus 0.04 gives you an answer of 0.09. Some of them you will have to carry over. So just look carefully at the numbers. Have you got this one? 0.05 plus 0.07. What you do is add the hundredths first. 5 plus 7 make 12. You can carry the 2 down. The 1 goes over to the tenths, and there's no tenths, there's a 0 there and a 0 there, so it becomes 1 decimal point, and the whole numbers is 0.0, so it gives you 0.12. Okay, answers at the back of the pack. Right, the main maths, we're still going to work on subtraction, and we're looking at another strategy, a counting on or counting up strategy. So this is good when you're counting change. You can count from the total price up to the amount of change. So we're looking at that strategy for you to have a look at. It's an alternative to column work. And there is a good YouTube channel there. It's for you about the counting on method. Take time to have a look at that. So on the learning reminders, it shows you the expanded and compact column subtraction to work out sums. There's the expanded, that's the compact, which you looked at on the other days. And then we're looking at the counting on. So different way, different strategy. So for this sum, you've got 403 and 267. So 403, take away 267. If we count from 267 in bits, 267 up to the next 10, 270 is 3 away. So, and then we've got 270 to 300, which is 30 away. Then 300 all the way to 403 is 103. So what you have to do is add 103, 30, 3. And that will give you the answer. Okay, so do some practice sheets. We've got the mild sheet, we've got a few questions there, all 3-digit numbers. And then you've got the hot practice sheet. Again, a few more, counting from the lower number up to the higher number. Try some of them out with the counting on. If you're a little bit stuck, hop into hundreds and beyond. Shows you a demonstration of how to do a number line and doing the jumps. Then checking your understanding, some questions here. At the end it says what are the missing digits in this calculation. So maybe you have to write that out on some scrap paper and work out where they are. You can do it in column work. Then we're going to be a big step up in the extension, looking at solving 5-digit numbers, take away 5-digit numbers. For those of you who are up for the challenge, we've got some of those and these, and then you've got the answers at the end. So good luck there.